Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error. Primary account cannot be removed. If you're seeing this Outlook error, it usually means the account you want to remove is tied to the main Outlook profile on your computer. In many cases, the quickest way to resolve it is by managing your mail profiles through the control panel. We'll walk through that process slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, go to your desktop so you have a clear starting point. This helps make navigation simpler, especially if you have several windows open already. Next, open the control panel on your computer. This is where Windows stores a number of settings for apps and system tools, including Outlook mail profile settings. If your view looks different from what you expect, that's normal. The important part is just getting into Control Panel first. Once you're there, move to the search box in the top right corner and type in Mail. This will help you quickly find the mail settings without having to browse through multiple categories manually. Depending on your version of Windows or Office, the exact wording may vary slightly, but you should see a Mail option appear. Click on Mail to open the Outlook Mail Setup window. This section controls profiles, data files, and account-related settings that Outlook uses behind the scenes. From here, click on Show Profiles. This is the area where Outlook profiles are listed. A profile is essentially a container for your Outlook setup, including accounts and settings. If the primary account cannot be removed directly in Outlook, removing the related profile here can often solve the problem. Now select the profile shown in the list. In this example, it's the sample profile. Make sure you click the correct one before moving forward, since removing a profile can clear the Outlook configuration tied to it on that device. After selecting the profile, click Remove. Windows may ask you to confirm the action, so take a moment to read the prompt before continuing. This step removes that Outlook profile from the computer, which is often what clears the primary account issue. Once that's done, click OK to close the window. Then reopen Microsoft Outlook and sign in again. Outlook will guide you through setting the account back up, and in many cases this refreshes the profile structure so the error no longer appears. As a final tip, make sure Outlook is fully closed before you start these steps, since open Outlook windows can sometimes prevent profile changes from applying properly. And that's it. You've now gone through the process to fix the Outlook error, stating that the primary account cannot be removed.